The older you get, you realize what's the most valuable thing in your life is. It's your dignity. Don't let anyone take it from you. If someone tries to make you feel small, don't let them succeed. Your dignity is your strength, and it's the one thing no one can take from you unless you allow it. Dignity means knowing your worth and never settling for less than you deserve. If someone tries to exploit your weakness or kindness, remember you don't need to prove yourself to anyone. Dignity means making decisions that serve your best interests, even when they're tough. Remember, if you have to choose between being respected and being liked, always choose respect. Dignity stems from self-respect. And if you don't respect yourself, no one else will. Never compromise your dignity for anyone. The person who tries to break your spirit or belittle you doesn't deserve a place in your life. Be firm, be strong, handle things with a cool head and complete confidence, and never let anyone question your worth. Comment respect if you agree, then hit the follow button, because this account is for you.